afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. It's been a while since I have been here, but I'm going to fix some banana. I have 1.5 bananas. They're definitely ripe that I have got to use. So I'm just going to make some muffins. And it's not going to be very many, but we're going to use up this banana that this 1.5 banana that I've got. So what we need to do is put the mash up the banana a little bit. You don't need a mixer. You can just use this fork because you don't want to over mash anything. So let's just. Alright, we need a banana. We're going to need 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of flour, a teaspoonful of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoonful of vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to just put just 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. 1/2 teaspoonful of salt. You also need 1/2 cup of butter and 1 egg. So we've got our banana mashed up. We're going to put our sugar in there. And our flour. A cup of flour. I think I said 1/2 cup to start off with, but I'm sorry. It's a cup of flour. Just stir that together just a little bit. A spoonful of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoonful of salt. And we're just going to mix that together a little bit. That's your dry ingredients. Oh, I am going to put a little bit of cinnamon in this because I have very little bananas, so I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoonful of cinnamon just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay. Ooh, that did make it smell better. We're going to do 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoonful of vanilla flavoring. Let's see, can I get the egg beat up a little bit? And some melted butter. I got 1/2 cup of melted butter. We're going to cook it at 375 for 20 minutes. But since I'm cooking it in the Ninja, just try out my new Ninja. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes and check it. Then after I check it, then if it needs it, we'll cook it the other 10 minutes. And see, this is what it looks like. And the recipe keeps saying, do not overcook. I wanted the little mini cupcakes, but my mini pan will not fit in this Ninja. So I had to go up to the next bigger size. So we're going to just give it a shot and see what it does. I just did have enough to put in 12 cupcakes that will fit in my Ninja cooker. We're going to try it for 10 minutes to start off with. So we're going to cook this at 375. Well, I cooked it for 10 minutes and it's definitely not even halfway done. So we're going to cook it for the other 10 minutes. So if I was you, I would start out with the 20 minutes. Well, they did turn out real good. Let's just see how one of them tastes. Wow. Now I did go back and cook them 10 more minutes. And like I say, they turned out really pretty. And done. probably just going to take a bite of one if I can get it where it would be cool enough. Very tasty. And this is nothing in the world but banana muffins with a little bit of cinnamon, butter, flour, sugar, a little bit of vanilla flavoring, and 1 egg. And it sure is moist, which is good. You don't want a dried out muffin. And some flour, and cooked it on 375. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom, just trying out a new Ninja. Give me your comments and we'll make something else and try to do a little bit better. Well, here they are. They look very tasty. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Give me your comments. Come back to see me and have a fantastic day.